It's Valentine's Day, and what better day to talk about prenuptial agreements? It's Ask the Attorney. Miles Mason is an attorney with Crone and Mason. And Miles, is it just me, or are more people doing these prenups?
Absolutely, more people are doing prenups, primarily because there are more second marriages, third marriages.
Okay.
People are entering us into marriages with greater estates.
Now, we see the celebrities, the big money people, Tom Cruise and all those guys, they do them all the time. Is it just for people with a lot of money and a lot of assets?
No, but what a prenuptial agreement allows parties to do is control the future in the event of a divorce. Most people are looking for that type of protection when they walk into a lawyer's office, and most of the time a prenuptial agreement can achieve those objectives.
Here's the question I have about a prenuptial agreement. When you go in court in the likely event that there's a divorce these days, is it the law? I mean, does the judge have to go by the terms in that agreement?
If the agreement was prepared fairly, there was full disclosure, there was an attorney involved representing both parties, most of the time a judge will enforce it when it comes to property division, alimony, but a court does not have to follow a prenuptial agreement that determines either custody or child support.
So that's part of what people talk about when they say if it'll stand up in court.
Right. Enforceability is key.
Okay. All right. Now, how far before the wedding? And you have to do it before the wedding.
No, there is another tool called a postnuptial agreement that you could do. So you don't have to do it before the wedding, but it's a little easier to encourage people to sign before.
Yeah, because after there could just be problems.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so you want to do it before. All right. Well,
you want to do the prenuptial well in advance of the wedding, to answer your question. You want to do it well in advance of the wedding because you don't want to wait till the last minute, because then it goes back to what we talked about, enforceability.
Right.
The closer it is to the wedding, the less likely it is going to be enforced.
Yeah, they're becoming awfully popular these days. Miles, good to see you.
Thank you.
And happy Valentine's. Do you have a prenup, by the way?
I do not.
Oh, you do not? Okay. Good answer. For more information and a link to Miles' website, log on to our website, myfoxmemphis.com. We'll be right back.